Hello everybody, once again welcome to Armstrong Computers channel. I'm your instructor for today, Prince Armstrong. Today we'll be looking at what really is Microsoft, or introduction to Microsoft Excel. So the question here is, what is Excel? What is Microsoft Excel? Excel is an electronic spreadsheet that provides a computerized version of accounting tools, accounting ledger, calculation, and etc. etc. or perform calculation, analyze information, and manage lists in spreadsheet or web page. Now, brief history about what happened in the past. Throughout history, human beings have calculated, manipulated, and organized numerical information. The need for precise record keeping has always presented a challenge. Computer brought about revolution in speed and include data performance analyzing programs called electronic worksheet, alleviation to many of the problem associated with what modern accounting. Note: Excel displays two worksheets, namely an electronic spreadsheet and the manual worksheet. So this is the manual worksheet. As you can see, Excel displays two worksheets. We have the manual worksheets and then the electronic spreadsheets. I'll throw more light on this after this. Okay, welcome back. So what is a manual worksheet? Now this is the manual worksheet. As you can see, the red surrounding area, this very side, that is the manual worksheet. And the manual worksheet, you can see that it's kind of like intersection point is called cells, and there's some grid lines there. So what is a manual worksheet? What is a manual worksheet? It says the manual worksheet consists of grid lines. You can see these are the grid lines, okay, that lies horizontal and vertical. Okay, if the manual worksheet could have not, okay, entering data and formatting value in Excel could have been difficult to perform. In other words, could have been difficult to perform, which means that if Excel could have not come with this manual worksheet, we entering data and also formatting values, performing calculation could have been very difficult, because the manual worksheet here holds the data for us to what, perform calculation, nor even what, format the value in the cells. Okay, so that is the manual worksheet. So let's look at the other attributes that the manual worksheet comes with. Now we said that intersection points of the grid lines forms a cell. So what is a cell? It is the intersection point of rows and columns. And rows, you say, well, what are rows? It is lie horizontal on the manual worksheet, whilst the column lies vertical on the manual worksheet. So let's come to the electronic spreadsheet. This is the electronic spreadsheet. The electronic spreadsheet, as you can see, consists of the column letters and the row numbers. So the column letters is up to destination, it's not up to infinity, whilst the row numbers is also up to destination, it's not up to infinity. I'll be talking about that when we come to moving around the worksheet. So what is an electronic spreadsheet? In the electronic spreadsheet, the column letters and the row numbers enables us, into bracket, help us to perform calculation tasks as well as identification of cells. Note: the electronic spreadsheet is larger than the manual worksheet, whilst in other way around, if Excel could have not come with the spreadsheet, performing calculation could have been complicated. How shall I get it? Now again, the column letters, as I said, is not up to infinity, it's having a destination point. Okay, so the column letters ends at XFD. The column letters ends at XFD, whilst the row numbers ends at 148,576. The row numbers ends there, and I'll be talking more about that when we come to moving around the worksheet. When we get to moving around the worksheet, I'll be throwing more light on that, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. The next video will be looking at moving around the worksheets, and you get the whole concept of how the column letters ends at 148,576, and then the row numbers also ends at was the column letters ends at XFD. Thank you. Catch you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.